Hello again. This is what I want to show you today is I'm gonna attempt to grow beets totally hydroponic, because a couple of years ago when I shot a video, I had a person saying, is this really hydroponics, because I'm in perlite and cocoa coir. And if you look at that video, I'll have a link to it here where you can see that I grew 18 to 20 beets in this cocoa coir and perlite. Now, this is a 15-liter container, and I took another one and I painted it black, and I put 6 holes in it, and in the base of this is going to have the full complement of master blend. And then I had another video of what to do with one of these. They can be a little incubator that you can start your seedlings in, and I've done that. So what I have here is 6 beet seedlings, and these cups are a little deeper, so I had to use 1.5 Rockwell cubes in here to make it reach to the top. And I had to wait until the roots got all the way through to the bottom. So I have 6 beet seedlings. There's multiple in here till they get going, and I can take it down to 1. And we'll see if we get a beetroot, or just a big mess. It's an experiment for me too. I've never done it this way. I know the other way works. So we have 6 Rockwell cubes with a beet done in the incubator, call it that for now. And they're in here like this, and that's how that'll work. Now, the holes were drilled 1.25 inch holes. I got this from Amazon. And the reamer here was to bring it down so that it doesn't have any bits sticking up to keep the pot from going complete to the base. Now the Rockwell cube came all the way to the top, so when the beet starts to grow, it's going to cover it just like it was that rubber sponge that I had in one video. So that's about it for here. Thanks for watching, and have any comments, suggestions, likes are important, and subscribers is also important. So thanks for watching. Adios, or hasta luego.